I think I found the best hidden gem in J-Bay. I mean, you need to check the view from this place. Estelle, how are you?
Good, welcome
Okay.
to the best coffee shop in the world
Oh, yes.
with the best view,
Uh-huh.
the best coffee,
Okay.
and always welcome.
You are a natural on camera. Come, take me through this beautiful place. First thing, let's talk about the view from here.
Yeah, and you know, we've got absolutely the view. It's changing every day, which
Oh.
makes it so exciting. And we are getting the dolphins, we're getting the whales, and of course with the low tide and the high tide, it's just a moving picture from the morning to the evening.
I
It's
like this.
the evening light is beautiful on our beach, and what can we say? We are so privileged to be here.
You got the best job in the world, eh?
Absolutely, the best office.
The best office.
Yeah,
take
let
me
me
through
take
your
you
office.
through, yes.
There we go.
And this is our little coffee shop, the inside, but as most people want to, they want to sit outside with a view.
Yeah.
I've got the best team here.
Oh, let's see your
which-
team. Hello.
Yes, this is Kuba and Danilda, and they're looking after our place, and they will welcome you. Yes, Reinhard.
Raina.
Yes, he's the man on the premises here.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. And tell me,
Yes.
what do you guys have here? See, you got some traditional Buddha cook sisters.
Cook sisters.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the best.
The best carrot cake you will get in South Africa.
And the best carrot cake you will get in South Africa. Then the people got to come here, South
It's a
Africans.
promise that we need to deliver on, eh?
Yes, it is. And I like this decor you got here with, you know, the paddles and everything.
Yeah,
Who
we-
inspired that?
The building looks
Okay.
like a ship.
Oh, wonderful.
And then we've got the Strandloper bird that usually is in front. Like I said, we would like to keep it as rustic as possible.
This is beautiful. I
You must be
say.
able to come with your swimming costume, with your surfing clothes, or you can dress up. It doesn't matter. You
Yeah.
are welcome as you are.
Speaking of dressing up, I like your outfit colors. It matches my logo.
It must be our lucky day.
And then I see you got some pears and all these. Oh, this is very nice, eh?
Yes, yeah. And then we've got also local writers,
Yes.
yeah, that's writing books.
Oh, wow. This
From
one.
traveling to
Oh,
all sorts.
Fellow traveler. I like that.
Yeah. So supporting the local people, of course.
Support local. Estelle,
Yes.
you have a beautiful place. I love this. And you know what? I think this is one of the best hidden gems I've ever found in J-Bay so far.
Oh, thank you.
You're a legend. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure.